Okay, you guys, it's time to find out who won the poll, or what won the poll, or which one won the poll, however you want to put it. And if you have no idea what I am talking about, let me recap just a little bit. I have a basket of yarn here, and I have a bowl of yarn here. All balls of scrap yarn that I was trying to figure out what to do with. So I decided that I was going to run a poll to have you guys vote on 4 different project ideas that I threw at you to see which one I should make. And I will go over those 4 ideas again, and then I will let you know which vote won. Hi, I'm Darlene, and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and this is where I research, I study, I share, and I teach all things crochet. So if at the end of this video, if you have found it to be helpful or you liked it in some way, then please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Oh, and for those of you who still don't get notified, even if you hit the notification bell, you need to go into your YouTube settings and make sure you toggle on that you want to receive notifications. I had a couple of my subscribers saying that they weren't getting notified, and that might be why. Also, on your cell phone, if you use a cell phone, then go ahead and make sure that you toggle on your notifications for YouTube. Okay, so the 4 project ideas that I threw at you in the poll to vote on was a funky sweater, crazy slipper socks, a wild tote bag, and a wacky lap blanket. Okay. And I gave you guys 2 weeks to vote on it. So, drum roll. The winner is... No, I want to tell you what the other ones came in first.
Come on. Bear with me, make it a little bit more exciting.
At 11% votes was the crazy slipper socks, so not so much. And then at 24% was a funky sweater and a wild tote bag, both 24%. They were right neck and neck the whole time, which leaves the wacky lap blanket coming in at a whopping 41% of the votes, and that's the winner. The wacky lap blanket. So let's take a look at that yarn again really quick. All these beautiful different colors. And I am not going to use one ball before I go to the other. I am just going to randomly go through as I feel it's time to change to the next color. I am just going to grab one, not necessarily in any order or in any particular color family. I want it to be wacky just like its name. So as I go, I will kind of throw it in the videos to let you know how I'm progressing. And then I'll share the final project. So I really appreciate you participating in this poll. And let me know in the comments below if you would like me to think of another poll that we probably could have fun with. And until next time, bye.